If you're torn between using Miro and Obsidian to organize your ideas, you're not alone. These two tools may seem similar at first glance, but they actually serve very different purposes. Let's break them down so you can decide which one fits your workflow best. 1. What each tool does best. Miro is designed for collaboration and teamwork. It's an online whiteboard that helps groups brainstorm, plan projects, and visualize ideas together in real time. Whether you're working on a product roadmap, a mind map, or a team workshop, Miro gives you an infinite canvas to map everything out visually. On the other hand, Obsidian is built for personal knowledge management. It's more of a note-taking and idea-linking app than a visual whiteboard. Obsidian uses plain text markdown files, so your data stays on your device, and its power lies in how it connects your notes together. It's perfect if you want to build your own second brain, or system, for organizing knowledge and thoughts. 2. Collaboration versus individual use. If teamwork is at the heart of what you do, Miro clearly has the edge. It supports live collaboration, so multiple people can edit the same board, drop sticky notes, and share feedback instantly. It's a favorite for remote teams, designers, and project managers. Obsidian, however, shines for solo users. It's for thinkers, writers, researchers, and creators who want to capture and connect their thoughts privately and deeply. You can link notes together to see relationships between ideas, and its graph view lets you visualize your knowledge web. 3. Features and customization. Miro offers a wide range of ready-made templates for brainstorming sessions, flowcharts, agile workflows, and more. It integrates well with tools like Notion, Slack, and Google Workspace. If you value visual collaboration and simplicity, Miro makes it easy to start creating right away. Obsidian, meanwhile, is incredibly customizable. You can install community plugins to expand its features, change its appearance with themes, and even use its canvas mode for visual mapping. While it's not as collaborative as Miro, it offers deeper control over how you structure your ideas. 4. Learning curve. Miro is easy to learn. Just drag, drop, and collaborate. Obsidian might take a bit longer to get used to, especially if you're new to Markdown or linking notes. But once you get the hang of it, it becomes an extremely powerful tool for long-term personal productivity. 5. Final verdict. If you work with a team and need a creative space for brainstorming or project planning, go for Miro. It's visual, interactive, and made for collaboration. But if your focus is personal growth, writing, or building a knowledge system that connects your ideas over time, Obsidian is the smarter choice. In the end, both tools are great. It just depends on how you like to work. Miro helps you think together, while Obsidian helps you think deeper.